now that I got your attention. Hi guys, my name is Kenji. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Kenji고요. Please click subscribe to help me spread Korean culture. And today we are going to check out some iconic K-pop dance moves throughout the K-pop history. Intro. So let's start from the very beginning of K-pop. First, we have CHOTI and boys, or in Korean, 서태지와 아이들. They were active in 1992 to 1996, and I would call them the godfathers of K-pop. This group consisted of 서태지, of course, he was the main vocal, and 양현석, who you probably know as YG, and who also founded the YG family or the YG Entertainment Company, and Lee Junho, who was a prominent dancer that was known throughout Korea. And we are going to check out their debut song, I Know, or 난 알아요. Insert song. And the move that I'm going to show you is this. 난 알아요. 이 맘이 흐르고 흐르면. Reina, don't laugh. The cameraman is cracking up. What's going on? I know it's kind of corny because it's such an old dance, but here we go. It's step, 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 step. Very simple, right? But we throw the arms, step, 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 step. One more time. It's step, step. And we bring this around into crossing the arms as we step back, and as this foot hits the ground, bam, bam. 서태지와 아이들 was heavily influenced by hip hop, even though 서태지 was from a rock vocal group. So this move was very, hip hop-ish, and everybody knows this move. It's awesome. If you walk up to any Korean person and be like, do you know what this is? And they'll say 서태지와 아이들. It's so iconic. So one more time, it's I know this is much of a dance move, but this is stuck in every Korean's head, and I couldn't go on without mentioning 서태지 and boys because they were basically the first ever K-pop group. Simple, right? Let's move on. Next, we have H.O.T. It's an acronym for High Five of Teenagers. I know, it's lame. Koreans know it's lame too. That's why we just call them H.O.T. They were active from 1996 to 2001, and they are considered the first ever K-pop idol group, and their successful formula have become the model for many K-pop idols to come after them. The group consisted of 5 members: 문희준, 강타, 토니안, 장우혁, and 이재원. H.O.T sold 6.4 million copies throughout their career in Korea, and they were commercially successful outside of Korea, such as in China and Japan, and were amongst the first stars of the Korean wave in Asia. Lee Soo-man of SM Entertainment handpicked this group of teenagers, and since they were high school students, their first debut album consisted of songs that fought against school bullying, and now that I think about it, they were really progressive and they were way ahead of their time. And we are going to check their song Candy from their second album. Insert song. And the move that I'm going to show you is the hammer dance by one of the members, 장우혁. 장우혁 was heavily influenced by popping. So this dance is very versatile. It depends on how you want to play with it. but the core fact was your two hands are hammers, and like that. This was the basic, and you will bring that up to your head or your hip. And this is the hammer dance. But he would often play with it more and be like, put a wave into it. I saw some clips of them in their prime when they were as young as 17, and he would be more exaggerating when he was doing this dance. So he would do these steps, so it would exaggerate it more with his head. And this is the hammer dance. This move incorporated some popping, and I really like it. Next, Super Junior, also known as CHHOTI, formed on 2005 by Isuman of SM Entertainment. They were dubbed by the media and music awards as the king of Hallyu Wave due to their prominent contributions in Korean Wave. Super Junior originally debuted with 12 members consisting of the leader 이특, 희철, 한경, 예성, 강인, 신동, 성민, 은혁, 시원, 동해, and 려욱, and Kpop. Kyuhyun joined the group later in 2006. Super Junior launched into international fame in 2009 with their hit song Sorry Sorry from their album Sorry Sorry. We are going to check out their song Sorry Sorry. Insert song. And I'm going to show you the Sorry Sorry dance. It's called the Sorry Sorry dance because they're sorry, 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 sorry. They're like really sorry. They're like, oh, I'm sorry. I don't quite remember what they were sorry about, but they were quite sorry about something they did. But yes, this is from the perspective of Hangyung, who is in the front and center. So I'm going to teach his way because everyone does different stuff depending on their position and their legs. So I'm just gonna do Hangyung's version, so don't at me. And it's sorry, 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 sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, that is sorry, 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 sorry. Step, 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 hit your leg, hit your leg, hit your leg, step, step. I love that it's so upbeat and playful, the dance. It's not too serious, and it's really easy to follow along, so I hope you guys are following along as well. Next, our first female group, Wonder Girls, debuted in 2007 as a 5-member group with Yeeun, Sunye, Sunmi, Hyuna, and Sohee. After Hyuna's departure on July, Yubin was added into the group prior to the release of their debut. Yes, it's that Hyuna, who used to be Wonder Girls, but now she's a soloist and you guys love her. Wonder Girls further established themselves as one of the top girl groups in the country with the hit singles So Hot and Nobody, which were released in 2008 after being released as a single in the United States in 2009. Nobody charted at number 76 on the Billboard Hot 100, making Wonder Girls the first South Korean group to enter the chart. And we are going to check out Nobody. Insert song. Now I'm going to show you the nobody dance. We didn't even have to look at the video because we have this in our heart. And it goes step, 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 step first. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's nobody, nobody but you. This is very important. Sideways, show your butt. You. There we go. So it's nobody, nobody but you. Clap, clap. You. Clap. Simple, right? Let's go over it one more time. That's step, 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 step. You. This is so simple but caught the whole nation, and it was the definition of iconic. Next, Girls' Generation, or 소녀시대, or SNSD. This group is composed of 8 members: Taeyeon, Sunny, Tiffany, Hyoyeon, Yuri, Suyoung, Yuna, and Seoyeon. Originally a 9-piece group, Jessica departed from the group in September of 2014, one of the prominent figures of the Korean wave. The group has earned numerous accolades and the honorific nickname the nation's girl group in Korea. The group rose to fame in 2009 with their song G, which claimed the top spot of KBS's Music Bank for record-breaking 9 consecutive weeks. Was Melon's most popular song of the 2000s. And we are going to check out G. Insert song. And now I'm going to show you the G dance. Okay, so the G dance. Everyone memorized the whole song. And since I'm only doing one part for each song, I had a hard time deciding which part is the most iconic out of the G song. And it is probably the shuffle. Goes G, 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 baby, baby, baby. Or G, 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 baby, baby, baby. Very simple, right? So this move, the footwork is very important. When you're moving to left or your right, heel toe. Make sure it's heel toe. And you move. 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 Creating a little gliding effect. So practice this. And you can move. And to the beat, you move your head. 1, 2. And it goes. Oh, and make sure you have your hand on your waist, like the beautiful boys and girls that we are. And it goes. G, 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 baby, baby, baby. G, 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 baby, baby, baby. There was a national trend at the time where everyone was learning the G dance, and I mean like everyone was learning the G dance, from little kids to grandmas. Everyone was learning this dance. And we're going to cut here since the video is probably getting way too long, and we are going to jump back in part 2 of this series. And I know all your BTS fans and boy group fans are waiting for your group to come out. We are going to go chronologically, and we're only in the 2000s, so be sure to check out the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. What are you doing? Come on, help Kenji out, become the best Korean content creator on YouTube, and comment something nice, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I can make another dance video soon, but yeah. Bye. I almost forgot. Thank you, Koa Dance Federation and Miss Jin Che for letting me use this amazing space for filming. Thank you. And really, really, Bye.